so long, leaving me the road. So I know that my angling is probably not the best right now, but I just took some of the product, I put it on a toothbrush, and then I just rub a bit. I don't want a lot because sometimes this thing does leave residue, and then I just twist, and then I just put it behind back in the mess. Took one again. I think I'm gonna do 2 rows each because I am a bit lazy. Do that, take some. I'm not a leave edges out kind of girl, so I leave them out, but I don't like them when they're too dramatic. As you can see, it does look kind of fresh, nyana. But yeah, guys, that's what's happening in this video. It actually looks kind of nice. I just hope that I don't lock it. I think I should do 3 rows instead of 2. Shame. I don't know how content creators do this. This is hard. But you know, put a little bit of gel, twist it around, put it back, look for the next row. My lines are still a bit precise. They are like 2 to 3 weeks old. The reason why it looks such a mess is because, you know, shit happened. But it's fine. We're fixing that mess. And then we're just twisting it and we're putting it, right? Now we're doing the front. So there's the piece of hair, right? And then we somar put this there. This one is a bit looser. Now guys, I know how to do hair, right? I know how to undo and plait. I just didn't buy a hairpiece because it was just so cold this weekend. The initial plan was to go to Joburg and get my hair done. Not my hair, my nails, bit of lashes and shit like that. But yo, it's cold. But anyway, as you can see, I'm doing it in rows of 3s and 4s. I don't know. I usually like to do a side part, so I think I'm gonna do 4. But at the back, really, when it gets towards the back, it's not really that important as long as the front looks nice and fresh. Because another thing is that I didn't want to do my lashes and on a not so fresh hairstyle. Anyway, it's just, you see, even I don't think my hair is growing the way it used to anymore, but we'll discuss that. I might do a big chop, who knows. But yeah, put. Oh, I didn't even take before and after pictures. Put. Just. So the last 2 are the ones that, the first 2, like the front by the hairline. Oh, this hurts a bit. Don't hurt yourself, guys. But it's the part by the hairline does hurt a bit. Maybe I'm over twisting, who knows. Put some gel, pot it properly, you know. Also, I use got to be glued sometimes, which I don't think this would work, because that shit is genuinely glue, you know. Like, as you can see, it's looking a bit better. I'm starting to see more scalp. Yeah. So yeah, let's do the next. I'll be back when I'm like last 2 vibes. Anyway, guys, I thought you might have like I should do like a. Sorry, I'm watching some Netflix. I thought I should show you in, like, you see, that looks so much better compared to the mess that's here. So yeah, man, that's what's happening. When I'm halfway, I will stop again and show you guys. Just don't want this video to be long. Hi guys, so, yeah. I swear to God, it hasn't even been 10 minutes, 5 minutes, probably 5, more than 5. But I'm done with that, and I've still got that to go. As you can see, there's like more precision in lines, and then here it's a bit, you know, like that. So that's what we're doing. Let me do this row with you guys. Just give me a bit more patience. Anyway, So we open the line, take some gel, take a bit of gel, put some on there, twist, put in, take a second one, do this, twist, put in here, take some more, twist. As you guys can see, it's starting to look better than it is that side. Twist, put back. Take some more. Put some in there. Sorry. Put that. Twist. Here we go. Take some more. That's not good. Take some to the side. Do that. Twist. Do that. As you can see, there's a whole difference, you guys, when I'm done. I'm the last one. Anyway, guys, so this is the final look. I didn't even have to lay my edges yet, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.